Hi, it's Arthur and today I'll show you how to fix Nothing Phone 4a Pro not charging. So the first thing is flip your phone top down, and right here you have the charging port. Clean it with a non-metallic tools. Use a wooden sticks, compressed air, Q-tips, not metallic tools because you may damage the charging port. Then you can swap the cables and the charger, test with another, maybe your cable is just broken. You can force restart your phone by clicking and holding the power button and volume up button for around 10 seconds. And also you can go into the settings, type in update, system updates, and right here, if you have any, click download and install. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.